بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم في طغيانهم يعمهون.
Allah will throw their mockery back to them, leaving them to continue wandering blindly in their defense. God will mock them and will increase their arguments as
أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين.
They are the ones who trade guidance for misguidance, but this trade is profitless, and they are not rightly guided. They have sold guidance for error. What an unprofitable trade! They have not been guided.
مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون.
Their example is that of someone who kindles a fire, but when it lights up all around them, Allah takes away their light, leaving them in complete darkness, unable to see.
صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون.
They are willfully deaf, dumb and blind, so they will never return to the right path. Deaf, dumb and blind, they will not return to the path.
أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين.
Those caught in a rainstorm from the sky with darkness, thunder and lightning, they press their fingers into their ears, and the sound of every thunder clap for fear of death. And Allah encompasses the disbelievers by His might.
يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
It is as if the lightning were about to snatch away their sight. Whenever lightning strikes, they walk in its light. But when darkness covers them, they stand still. Had Allah willed and could have taken away their hearing and sight.
يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون.
O humanity, worship your Lord, who created you and those before you so that you may become mindful. O.M. People worship your Lord who created you and those before you, that you may be mindful of God.
صدق الله العظيم.